Are you looking to enhance your gaming experience without spending a fortune? Do you want to achieve pro-level performance with budget-friendly accessories? In the competitive world of gaming, having the right tools can make all the difference, but you don't need to break the bank to elevate your setup. Whether you're seeking a responsive mouse, a reliable keyboard, or a high-quality headset, there are plenty of affordable options that deliver impressive performance. In this video, we'll explore the best budget gaming accessories that provide exceptional value and help you game like a pro. Are you ready to upgrade your gear? Let's dive in. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 10. WD_Black P40 Game Drive. The WD_Black P40 Game Drive is a high-performance external SSD tailored for gamers who prioritize speed and reliability. With up to 2 TB of storage, it offers ample space for a vast library of games and downloadable content. The drive boasts impressive read speeds of up to 2,000 megabytes/, ensuring quick load times and seamless gameplay. Its sleek, compact design makes it highly portable for gamers on the go. The USB 3.2 Gen 2 interface guarantees compatibility with various gaming consoles and PCs. Built to endure the rigors of gaming, the P40 features a durable casing that protects against bumps and drops. It includes WD software for easy game management and backups, while customizable RGB lighting adds a personal touch. Optimized for both current and next-gen consoles, it delivers versatile performance. Installation is plug-and-play, requiring no additional software. Overall, the WD_Black P40 Game Drive is an essential accessory for enhancing your gaming experience. Number 9. Razer Hammerhead Pro Hyperspeed. The Razer Hammerhead Pro Hyperspeed is a high-performance wireless earbud designed for gamers and audiophiles alike. Featuring Razer's Hyperspeed technology, it delivers ultra-low latency audio, ensuring synchronized sound for an immersive gaming experience. With 10mm drivers, the earbuds produce rich, powerful sound, making them suitable for music and gaming. The IP55 rating provides water and dust resistance, enhancing their durability for active use. They come with a comfortable, ergonomic design and multiple ear tip sizes for a secure fit. The earbuds offer up to 30 hours of battery life with the charging case, making them perfect for extended gaming sessions. Integrated touch controls allow for easy playback and call management. Number 8. LG Ultra Gear 34 GP 950GB. The LG Ultra Gear 34 GP 950GB is a stunning 34-inch ultra-wide gaming monitor designed for immersive gameplay. With a 3440x1440 resolution and a 21:9 aspect ratio, it delivers breathtaking visuals and expansive field of view. Featuring a fast 180Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time, it ensures smooth and responsive gameplay without motion blur. The monitor supports NVIDIA G-Sync for tier-free gaming, enhancing the overall experience. HDR support brings vibrant colors and deeper contrast to your games and media. Its sleek, modern design includes customizable RGB lighting for added flair. The adjustable stand allows for ergonomic positioning, enhancing comfort during long sessions. Multiple connectivity options, including HDMI and DisplayPort, ensure compatibility with various devices. The IPS panel provides excellent color accuracy and wide viewing angles. Number 7. Xbox Core Controller. The Xbox Core Controller is a versatile and ergonomic gamepad designed for comfort during long gaming sessions. It features a refined design with textured grips and triggers for enhanced control and stability. The controller includes a dedicated share button, making it easy to capture and share gameplay moments. With Bluetooth compatibility, it can connect seamlessly to PCs and mobile devices as well as Xbox consoles. The adjustable latency and responsive inputs ensure precise gameplay across various genres. The controller supports customizable button mapping via the Xbox Accessories app, allowing players to tailor controls to their preferences. It also boasts improved battery efficiency, offering longer playtime on AA batteries or rechargeable packs. Available in a variety of colors, it caters to personal style. The Xbox Core Controller is built for durability and performance, making it a reliable choice for gamers. Number 6. Razer Black Widow V4 Pro. The Razer Black Widow V4 Pro is a premium mechanical gaming keyboard designed for serious gamers. Featuring Razer's green or yellow switches, it offers tactile feedback and quick actuation for a competitive edge. The keyboard boasts customizable RGB chroma lighting, allowing for vibrant and dynamic lighting effects. With dedicated media controls and a multifunctional roller, managing audio and gameplay settings is seamless. The durable aluminum frame provides stability and longevity, making it built to last. Programmable keys via Razer Synapse software enable personalized macros and shortcuts. It includes a plush wrist rest for added comfort during extended gaming sessions. The keyboard also features N-key rollover and anti-costing for accurate input registration. With USB pass-through, connecting other devices is convenient and hassle-free. Number 5. Asus ROG Caris 2 Ace. The Asus ROG Caris 2 Ace is a high-performance gaming mouse designed for precision and comfort. Weighing just 79 grams, its lightweight build allows for effortless maneuverability. Equipped with a customizable optical sensor, it offers up to 16,000 dpi for precise tracking across various gaming scenarios. The mouse features ROG's exclusive push-fit switch socket, allowing for easy switch replacements and customization. With customizable RGB lighting, it integrates seamlessly into your gaming setup. The ergonomic design and textured side grips ensure a secure hold during intense gameplay. It also includes programmable buttons for quick access to essential commands. The durable construction and high-quality materials ensure longevity for rigorous use. With wired and wireless connectivity options, it provides flexibility for different gaming setups. Number 4. Cooler Master GD160. The Cooler Master GD160 is a stylish and functional gaming desk designed for optimal performance. Its spacious surface provides ample room for multiple monitors and gaming gear. The desk features a sturdy steel frame, ensuring durability and stability during intense gaming sessions. With customizable RGB lighting, it adds a vibrant touch to your gaming setup. The ergonomic design promotes comfortable posture, enhancing long gaming marathons. Cable management solutions help keep your workspace organized and clutter-free. The GD160 also includes adjustable feet for leveling on uneven surfaces. Its sleek design fits well in any gaming or home office environment. Number 3. Secret Lab Titan Evo Series. The Secret Lab Titan Evo series is a premium gaming chair designed for comfort and support during long gaming sessions. Featuring a robust steel frame and high-density foam, it offers exceptional durability and ergonomic support. The chair is equipped with an adjustable lumbar support system, allowing for personalized comfort. Its multi-tilt mechanism provides a wide range of reclining options, accommodating various sitting preferences. The Titan Evo comes with a breathable soft-weave fabric or PU leather finish, catering to different style preferences. Customizable armrests offer 4D adjustability, ensuring optimal positioning for gaming. The chair's sleek design and premium aesthetics make it a standout addition to any setup. It also supports a weight capacity of up to 290 lbs, ensuring stability for a variety of users. Number 2. HyperX Quadcast S. The HyperX Quadcast S is a high-quality USB microphone designed for gamers, streamers, and content creators. Featuring a stylish design with customizable RGB lighting, it adds a vibrant touch to any setup. The microphone utilizes a cardioid polar pattern, capturing clear sound while minimizing background noise. With a built-in anti-vibration shock mount, it reduces unwanted bumps and vibrations during recording. The adjustable gain control allows for precise audio input tailored to different recording environments. A convenient pop filter is integrated to minimize plosive sounds for clearer vocal quality. The Quadcast S is compatible with popular streaming platforms, making it easy to set up and use. It also includes a headphone jack for real-time audio monitoring. Its durable construction ensures longevity, even with frequent use. Number 1. SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro Wireless. The SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro Wireless is a top-tier gaming headset known for its exceptional audio quality. Featuring a dual battery system, it offers up to 22 hours of playtime, allowing for uninterrupted gaming. The headset boasts high-fidelity drivers that deliver immersive sound with rich detail and clarity. Its adjustable headband and ear cushions provide a comfortable fit for long sessions. The Clearcast Gen 2 microphone ensures crystal-clear communication, with active noise cancellation for enhanced clarity. The Nova Pro Wireless supports both Bluetooth and USB-C connectivity for versatile use across devices. Customizable RGB lighting adds a personalized touch to your gaming setup. The intuitive controls make it easy to adjust audio settings on the fly. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.